So what this is going to do is this is going to replace the existing battery in the Dyson, this adapter, and then you can put a Ryobi battery in here. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Today we're going to solve an interesting problem. We've had this Dyson Carvac probably for about 5 or 6 years, and lo and behold, the battery pack has gone bad. And at first you think, well, the battery doesn't remove easily, it's not easy to put a new one in, and so you think it's a throwaway device. And I was like, well, there's got to be a better solution. I've got a bunch of Ryobi tools, I've got a whole battery pack. I've been invested in Ryobi system. Now, some of you are invested in DeWalt's and Milwaukee's and things like that, and that's okay. This is still a solution that's going to work for you. What we can do, if I wanted to replace this battery pack from Dyson, it's probably about $80. I said, heck, I've got all these batteries floating around. Why can't I use something like this in this? And the other thing with this is this gets about 15 to 20 minutes worth of use when you're vacuuming cars with the existing battery. Then you're back to the plug, waiting a couple hours for it to charge, and that's just not going to work for me anymore. So I went on Amazon and I found a really cool device. We're going to unbox it and see what we got. What this is supposed to be is an adapter that will replace the battery in the Dyson. And our Dyson is a model DC58, and you can find that on the bottom of the battery. And what's really cool about this is you'll notice that my Ryobi battery clips right into it. So what this is going to do is this is going to replace the existing battery in the Dyson, this adapter, and then you can put a Ryobi battery in here. And the beauty of that is going to be that you can, when you run out of juice in this one, which probably has a lot more power than that one, you can go and grab another battery off the shelf and get pretty much unlimited runtime on these guys. Okay, so we're going to show you how to remove the battery in this system. You've got to take this thing apart a little bit. And if you all are familiar with this, you push this little red button down and that opens up your flap to empty the vacuum. What you're going to do is you're going to hold that down and you're going to pull out on this and just drop it right off. And that you're going to put this aside for now because there's 2 screws that you're going to have to remove. I've already removed the one in the back of the unit. So there's one here in the back of the unit, and then the battery still doesn't come out. So when you come up here, you're going to see this screw right here. And this screw here is a Phillips head. You're going to reuse these screws, so don't lose them. And again, I took one out just to save a little bit of time. And then what happens is this comes right out. And you'll notice that this adapter fits in just like the battery, but it has no battery on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this guy back in, and then we are going to use the old screw points. It looks like the only screw point that it uses is the original one in the back. It doesn't look like it uses one in the front. So we're going to screw one in the back. And then we're going to come in, again, there is no front screw in this. We're going to pop this in. What we're going to do is reinstall the canister. So the canister has a front clip. You're going to clip in the front, and then it just snaps back in. And now we have power. So that solves a really cool solution. We have now a reusable battery pack that I can use over and over. We're going to throw this away. We're not going to even worry about replacing these. These are overpriced batteries. Use something that you've invested in. We're going to have some links in this video to show where you can buy this on Amazon, and we'll also link to a couple other manufacturers. So if you're invested in another manufacturer's batteries, this is the product for you. So again, thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage today. We hope you found this video very helpful and informative. So don't forget to tell your friends about us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us a whole lot. And come back and see us often. Thanks for being with us.